Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle. Now, bearish engulfing candle, this is a trend reversal candlestick pattern. It is a trend reversal candlestick pattern. It shows that the sellers have taken control of price. The sellers are in charge of price. Bearish engulfing candle, it forms at the end of a bullish trend. It forms at the end of a bullish trend. The red candle overshadows the smaller green candle. As shown on the screen, the smaller green candle on the left will most likely be at the end of the bullish trend at the top. Then it is followed by a much longer red candle that overshadows it from week to week. Now to trade the bearish engulfing candle, you will place your trade entry at point E. You place your sell order at point E, more likely like a pending sell stop at point E. Then you place your stop loss at point S for you to trade the bearish engulfing candle. Then you can place your take profit below twice the total length of the bearish candle. The bearish candle is the red candle, and the total length of that red candle is from the week, the upper week to the lower week. I'm talking about from point S to the lowest point below point E. So you measure twice the length in pips for you to get your TP, your take profit, when trading the bearish engulfing candle. Example of a bearish engulfing candle at the end of an uptrend. We have an uptrend of about 7 green candles on the left of my screen, and then the formation of a much longer red candle to the right of the last green candle at the top to give us the bearish engulfing candle, and which signifies the end of the uptrend. And we can see on this image, after the candle that has the arrow which is pointing towards it, we can see the development of about 4 longer red candles to tell us that the sellers or the bears took control of price and drove price down to form a new trend. So that is an example of a bearish engulfing candle. Another example of a bearish engulfing candle at the end of an uptrend. We can see an uptrend of about 8 to 9 green candles with just one small red candle in the middle towards the end of the uptrend on the left. And then we can see where we have the arrow pointing to the bearish engulfing candle, and we can see the development of just 3 longer red candles that shows that the bears or the sellers, they took complete control of price and drove price down to form a new bearish trend. So the bearish engulfing candle is a powerful candlestick pattern that when it shows at the top of a trend, of a bullish trend, you should be conscious of the fact that the bears or the sellers might have taken complete control of price. Another example of a bearish engulfing candle at the end of an uptrend. On the screen, you can see the development of 5 green candles on the left, and with just the appearance of a bearish engulfing candle where we have the arrow pointing towards it. We have the development of more like a downward range, then the eventual complete control. The control of price was eventually taken by the bears towards the right side of the image, and you can see the development, the breakdown of price, the breakout of the range, and then the development of longer candles, bearish candles, red candles on the right, which shows that the sellers already took control, where we have the arrow pointing to the bearish engulfing candle, but the buyers were struggling to reverse. We're applying more force to reverse the trend, the developing bearish trend, but they eventually lost control. They lost total control after about 15 candles. So we have the battle between the red and the green, I'm talking about the candles in the middle, forming more like a straight horizontal range. But we can look at the range, we are seeing that the range is ranging downwards. Then they eventually lost control towards the right, and we have a total collapse of price, where price went straight down and the sellers took perfect control. So the appearance of a bearish engulfing candle on your chart at the top of a bullish trend should give you some level of signal that if you are buying, you should close your buy trades and then look for a selling opportunity. Now we have a question on bearish engulfing candle. On the screen, we have the arrow pointing to a long red candle that totally covers almost the entire bullish trend on the screen. It covered virtually almost all the candles except the first green candle on the left. Now the question is this a bearish engulfing candle? Yes, it is a bearish engulfing candle. And we can see what happened. Price went down and there was a collapse and a complete reversal of the bullish trend. So when you see a red candle showing up at the top of a trend, and the red candle is covering more than 2 or 3 other candles at the top, not at the middle of a trend, but at the top of a bullish trend, then you know that there's going to be a total change in trend, and you are advised to close your buy positions and open sell positions. Bearish engulfing pattern is best used on 4-hour time frame and above. It's not as if we do not have bearish engulfing candles on 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 minute time frame. But the ideal time frame are the higher time frame, which starts from 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, and even monthly time frame. The higher the time frame, the stronger the impact of the bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle formation at resistance levels always give traders confirmation of trend change. Now, this is the end of the video. We want you to know that whenever you spot bearish engulfing candle at the top of a bullish trend, prepare to sell. Now, do not go without clicking the subscription button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscription button, like our videos, make comment below the video, ask questions. We will try as much as possible to respond to your question. Also, click the bell button, the notification button below the video, so that when we release the next video on how you can trade candlestick, forex, or volatility index, you'll be the first to see the video on your notification dashboard. Till I come your way next time,